Adult supervision required when recreating this activity.
Hey guys, welcome to Matt Made Meals. I'm Chef Joe Fresh and this is
Chef Manny Flay.
Today's meal. We're going to be making donuts.
Wait a minute, donuts?
Oh yes, donuts. But we're going to be doing a healthy alternative version of the donuts. We're going to be using apples.
Well, that sounds fresh and nice.
And let me show you what it is.
Ooh, those look good.
Alright guys, so let's go over what we need.
Today's ingredients will be apples. I have a Fuji apple.
I have a Red Delicious.
We're also going to need some fresh fruit that we chopped up. We have mangoes, peaches, strawberries, blueberries, kiwi. We also have some dried fruit, cranberries, and raisins, and apricots, and some coconut shavings. And then to top off our donuts, we have some chocolate chips. But more importantly, we're going to need our frosting. And in today's frosting, we have yogurt and food coloring.
Don't forget, we also mixed it with different fruits as well. Like this one's raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, and kiwi as well.
Let's make our frosting. Step 1. Place 2 scoops of plain Greek yogurt in a cup. Step 2. Dice fruit of your choice, combine to your yogurt, and mix. Step 3. Add a couple drops of food coloring to your yogurt and stir. Now your frosting is complete. Here are some flavors we created. Blueberry. Blueberries are high in antioxidants which help the body repair its cells. Raspberry. Raspberries are high in vitamin A which promote growth and development. Kiwi. Kiwis are high in vitamin C which help boost the body's immune system. Blackberry. Blackberries are high in vitamin K which help strengthen the body's bones. The base of our frosting is yogurt, which is high in protein, which maintains and builds the body's tissues such as muscles, skin, and hair.
Alright guys, so for today we're going to need apple and a knife. But make sure you ask your parents' permission or have your parents' supervision in order to do this next part of the meal.
Very important. Okay, so today you're going to grab your knife and your apple. You're going to slice it from the top to get the top portion away because we're not going to need it. You go ahead, throw that out. Now, you're going to want to slice them into 1/2 inch portions. So you go ahead and you start slicing them, and it should look like this. Pretty good. And you can keep on slicing away until you have a few to decorate. Okay, I have about 4 slices. Okay, now you're also going to notice that you have a core. You're going to grab a spoon, and with the tip of your spoon, you're going to put it on the apple itself, and then just try to cut out the core of the apple. So it should look now like a donut. And we'll continue to cut away. I can't wait to frost my donuts.
What color are you going to frost your donut with?
I think I'm going to go with blue, because that's my favorite color.
Really? I was thinking the same thing, but I was going to go with purple because purple is my favorite color.
Oh, well then technically that's not the same thing. But
I meant to say going with my favorite color.
yes, sir.
Come on, Slowpoke. Let's hurry it up.
Okay, I'm one away. We have our frosting here. I'm going to pick some up. I'm going to add it to my donut.
You know what? I think I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna make one of every color.
That's a great idea too. Okay, now we move forward to our toppings, and I'll go ahead and give you
First dibs this time?
first dibs.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna go with the granola.
It's a great choice.
I think I'm gonna put some extra granola on this one.
I'm gonna go with coconut shavings. I think they'll go well with my blue frosting. Keep it nice and simple.
I think I'm gonna add some, let's see, some mango.
For the chocolate chips.
Sounds good to me. Let's go. I'm gonna add some strawberries for sure.
I always like to keep mine simple, but it looks like you're piling on,
yeah.
the ingredients there.
I'm a little extra, guys. Let's add some coconut shavings.
Those look delicious.
I think yours look pretty good too.
Well, thank you, sir.
All right, guys. Now let's give them a try.
All right, guys. Now that you finished your apples, go ahead and taste them. Hopefully they taste nice and delicious. That's going to wrap it up for us today. Please make sure to take as many pictures as possible and send them our way at map@cityofmontclair.org.
Hope you enjoy. See you next time.